Do you want to blur the background with the Photos app in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to blur the background with the Photos app using Windows 11. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft Photos is the default photo viewer and editor application included with Windows 11. It offers many features for organizing, viewing, editing, and sharing photos. Recently, some new features have been added that allows users to remove and blur the background of photos. Let's get started. To blur the background of a photo using the Windows 11 Photos app, right-click on the image you want to edit. Click on the Open With option. Select Photos. Click on the Edit Image tab or press Ctrl+E. Go to the Background Blur tab. Adjust the blur intensity using the slider. Once done, click on the Apply button. You can also turn on the Selection Brush tool. Then select what you want to edit in the image. There is also an option to deselect area. Choose the brush size and brush softness you require and edit your picture. Once done, click on the Save Options button at the top. Either save a copy of the image or save it. Name the file and click on Save. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.